Hi everyone, my name is Danielle and welcome to another episode of Board Game Bakes. This week we're going to focus on Harry Potter, the Hogwarts Battle, which is a cooperative deck building game. I've actually gone through the whole campaign and I had a lot of fun doing it. So my friend was hosting a Harry Potter party, Harry Potter party, and I wanted to bring something Harry Potter themed, and this kind of checked two boxes. So we're going to make, I call it Death Eater by Chocolate. That is a chocolate chip rollout cookie that has extra black cocoa powder so it's dark, and then it's filled with chocolate ice cream. Need I say more? Here's how to make it. Oops! Apparently I erased the video where I made the cookie dough. My bad. But I will post the link below that the recipe is based on, and I just add an extra quarter cup, I think, of black cocoa powder. Or you could just do it as a regular chocolate chip cookie. I'm pretty sure any cookie with ice cream in it would probably taste pretty good. Here's how I made the rest of it.
Once your dough is chilled, roll your dough out to about a 1/4 inch thickness. It obviously won't be perfectly smooth since there are chocolate chips in it. Take a large hexagon cookie cutter and cut out as many hexagons as you can from the dough. Remember that each cookie sandwich uses 2 of these cookies. Bake them at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 6 to 8 minutes. Make sure the tops look set. It's a little hard to tell, at least on these ones, if they've browned due to the color of the dough. Let the cookies cool completely before decorating. Let's whip out that airbrush machine and get started. Take silver paint and give the cookies a coat all over. You may need to do a double coat to make sure that it's all nice and metallic looking. Remember that you only need to decorate half of the cookies you made because half are going to be on the bottom. Let the silver dry completely. Next, fill the airbrush with black paint. You could find an image of the dark mark online, and I was able to use this image to get the skull drawing and make a stencil for the cookies. Center your skull stencil outline, and then put the skull shape in the middle. Yes, your finger will change color. I feel like I wind up dyeing my hands more often than not when I use my airbrusher. Oops. Let the black paint dry. Finally, take a black edible marker and outline the skull shape, and you could also add the detail of a hexagon around the border to give it that final touch. Time for the moment you've all been waiting for, assembly. Prepare your cookies by matching a decorated and undecorated cookie. Put as much chocolate ice cream as you want or think you could fit onto the undecorated cookie. This happens to be homemade chocolate ice cream, but store-bought works just as well. Put your decorated cookie on top and prepare for chocolate bliss. If only I could pass you one of these chocolate bombs through the screen.
Thanks for watching another episode of Board Game Bakes. We took a deep dive into chocolate and it was a very tasty dive. Let me know in the comments below. Are you team chocolate or are you team vanilla? I'm kind of neutral, but some people are very passionate about it, so let me know in the comments, and while you're down there, hit subscribe for new videos at noon every Tuesday. Keep playing games and keep them sweet. Bye!